Introducing our officials for this match. First referee, Mr. Adrian Tabanyag, International Referee. Second referee, Mr. Rodrigo Rojas, National Referee. Let's call on our starting lineup from our Lady Patrollers of the Philippine National Police. Let's start off with jersey number 1, Frances Cinia Molina. At number 2, Ana Veronica Concepcion. Wearing jersey number 4, Jeline Labrador. Wearing jersey number 9, Janine Nicole Marciano. At number 12, Christine Ann Dave. And at number 20, Patsari Sangmuang. Libero, number 16, Justine May Tadeo. Head coach, Mr. Bob Malenab. Calling on Our Lady Tamaraos from the Far Eastern University. Wearing jersey number 2, Bernadette Pons. At number 3, Marie Charlemagne Simborio. Wearing jersey number 6, Rochelle Maria Winona Bagang. At number 7, Genevieve Kasugod. Wearing jersey number 9, Mary Remy Joy Palma. And their team captain with jersey number 12, Giselle C. Libero, number 1, Christine Agno. Head coach, Mr. Cecil Shack de los Santos.
Well, both starting lineups po, pinakilala na po rito. And we are at the San Juan Arena dito po sa San Juan City. At ito na kasi sabi natin bago magsimula yung laban, Michelle. Championship po itong laban na ito. Sinong magkakaroon ng kanilang unang pagkapanalo rito? Maghihiwalay na ng landas. Kanino binibigay advantage dito sa laban na ito? Tingin mo?
Mixed emotions ako naman. I would want any, of course, kung sino ang mas deserving at mas uhaw sa panalo ngayong araw na to.
I would think dalawa silang uhaw dito. Lamang po, in my opinion, titignan natin dito, lamang sa panggitna definitely ang FEU with the absence of Michelle Datuin dito sa kupunan ng PNP. Of course, Remy Palma will have something to say about that. Lamang naman sa open itong kupunan ng PNP dahil nga kay Patsari Sangmuang at saka yung nakita nyo kanina, si Janine Marciano. As a setter, I would probably give the advantage dito kay Giselle C. Kasi matagal lang setter si Giselle C. So si Veronica Concepcion actually took a break from being a volleyball player to become a policewoman.
Yes,
Tapos
she's
ngayon,
on the
bumalik
force.
na naman. She's on the force from Davao nga yan actually. There's Giselle C on your screen. Si tumatayong kapitan ngayon para sa Lady Tamaraos. So magsisimula na po itong ating laban. Both teams, 0 wins and 5 losses. Naghahanap ng kanilang unang pagkapanalo. At yung serve ngayon dito si Marciano. We are underway. Here's Giselle C. Quick set. Remy Palma kaagad ang gumawa para sa FEU.
So si Remy Noel, batang-bata, pero
Yes.
ang tangkad-tangkad.
Well, all of them, probably with the exception of Giselle C, teenager, and Tin Agno. I would think all of them, with the exception of Giselle C and Tin Agno, teenager lahat yan. So here's Giselle C, the captain. Nice serve. Napalakas at nakakuha kaagad yan ni Remy Palma. So 2 for Palma.
First 2 points, of course, she's a future. If we were talking kanina about
future of Philippine volleyball.
Yes.
Ito na, present niya. Yan ay magiging bida ngayon sa opensa ng FEU. Mamaya-maya pag nakita na sa harapan si Bernadette Pons, those two will carry the load for FEU in the upcoming U80 season as Patsari Sangmuang, the former captain of the Thai national team, gets her first point.
katawa dun si Remy Noel.
Yeah.
Kailangan daw siya.
Well, if it's One Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Dapat libre niya sa Shakey's. Yung mga yan. Combination play. Here's Winona Bagang. And now the attack coming from Patsari Sangmuang. Habang kaagad dyan si Remy Palma. Isipin mo, 3 points already para dito kay Remy Palma. 3 of the 3 points ng FEU.
She's stepping up kasi alam nila na kailangan nila yung panalo na to today.
Right. Well, right now, si Kasugod nasa harapan. That means Palma is back to serve para dito sa Lady Tamaraos. Good serve. Justin Tadeo gets to it. Here's Concepcion on the back set ngayon. Frances Molina, napalakas. Si Molina has actually been on a roller coaster of sorts para dito sa PNP in their last few games. Not very consistent. In fact, sa kanilang huling laban, 6 na puntos lang ang naitala niya.
Now she's a center spiker.
Yep.
But pwede rin siya maglaro ng open before.
Pwede siya maglaro ng open, pwede siya mag-utility. Yung mga all-arounded. Makita mo naman yung build niya rin as a volleyball player. Very nice. Here is Concepcion ngayon going to Pachari Sangmuang na dati pang open spiker. So nakadali ka agad. So it is now 4-2 in favor of FEU after that spike coming from Sangmuang. Bernadette Pons, nakita nyo on your screens. Yeah.
With players like Mulia Noel, sa tingin mo, is it better to focus on one position and be and be your best at it, or no 3 position?
And Rizon anti-perspirant deodorant, it won't let you down. 5-2 ang ating score. Yung mga iba kasi, parang nabubor sila sa isang position lang. Alam mo yun, may mga teammates kang ganun, di ba, na kumakalat-kalat kung saan-saan. Lilipat sa utility, lilipat sa open. Di ba, yun ang jack of all trades, master of none. That's a drawback probably of that. Here's the attack coming from Simborio. Set up now for Sangmuang, and that shot will go wide. So magang panimula na maganda para dito sa kupunan ng FEU. 6-2 ang kanilang kalamangan. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Ito kayo si Winona Bagang. Nasabi na rin natin, veterano, although second year pa lang yan. Diba? Here is Concepcion now. Ay, nilipat dito kay Labrador. Was not ready for that. Concepcion one more time. Pachari Sangmuang. Baon na baon sa harap ni Tinagno.
If you're that tall, Noel,
Ay,
itong
nako.
si Kasugod kasi medyo mabagal pa in terms of laterals pagdating sa blocking.
Right.
Kaya nakakalusot ang bola ng center spiker ng PNP.
Well, nakita natin si Kasugod was not even in the picture dun sa tira niyo ni Pachari Sangmuang. 3 serving 6. Sangmuang, nice serve. Here's Giselle C ngayon on the back set. Papunta rito kay Bagang. Now Christine Dave. In the air for Marciano. Nilusot ni Marciano doon sa block ni Bagang na medyo may kalayuan sa net.
Itong Marciano Noel, she's been very consistent
Yan
in the
naman.
past games. And go-to person yan ng PNP.
In fact, before the game last Sunday of Eliza Valdez na debut niya, gumawa ng 28 si Eliza.
Wow!
Silang dalawa, nito si Marciano at saka si Tipachot, held the league record for most points by an individual. Dave missed. They both scored 24 points already. So that's a testament to sa opensa naman nitong si Marciano. Ngayon, Marciano, itatawid lamang yung bola. See, one-hand set. Matatawagan siya ng either lifting or overreaching. That's a lifting violation against Giselle C. So 6-5. 3 puntos sunod-sunod na nakuha rito ng PNP. Pachari Sangmuang from Thailand. Not a good reception there from FEU. Tin Agno. Bernadette Pons, adliban niya ito. Concepcion ngayon, going to Dave. Dave is turned back by Pons. Concepcion ngayon, babalik sa kabila sa open. Marciano, hinulog na lamang. That's a very smart shot there coming from Janine Marciano. Sangmuang trying to give PNP the lead. Giselle C ngayon, higher set this time for Bernadette Pons, and Pons registers her first point at matik na matamaan si Michelle Gumabaw ng bola.
Kasabi, sub.
Papasok ka na.
Hindi, ikaw nga eh.
Ako. Libero ako eh. Mahilig ako malibre.
Hindi ko pa
Mamaya.
experience.
Sa karaoke tayo.
Ano ko lang,
Sa shower, ha?
sa shower, concert ko lang po.
Well, a net violation call against Janine Marciano at nakuha ng FEU ang 2 puntos na kalamangan sa ating unang technical timeout.